Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. I know it's been a while since I've made a video and everything, but this video is about to make a video. All right, guys. So I'm back. I bought this car on the 2nd, just before the holiday weekend. And it's a 97 model. It's been having a few little things wrong with it. They said that they would fix for me, so I took the car back today, and they fixed on it. The issue was with the power windows and the air conditioning. As you can see right now, I'm burning the air conditioning. I don't know if you can hear it running or not, but they got a little situation. Still got some more stuff they got to fix on it for me. Something about the intake gasket and the engine mount they're gonna add on there for me and get it fixed. And I appreciate it. It's a buy here, pay here car, and it's a weekly payment. So being that they did that, I just went ahead and paid a week ahead in advance because they show good faith of trying to fix the stuff for me. You know what I'm saying? So it's hard to find people that's gonna keep their word and stuff. Wait a minute, this road right here taking a long time to get to my what you call it? To my traffic light to make my right turn here. So alright, well, I'm gonna tap back in. I'm on the way back to the house, and I'm gonna tap back in when I about to get there. So just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I made it back to the house, but the problem still exists on the car. The windows keep going out and the air conditioning keep going out. So they offer me, the good thing is they offer me to bring it back and have it repaired, and they're gonna give me a loan car till they get it fixed. Alright, I'll tap back in and let you know what's going on. Alright, y'all, I'm tapping back in. I'm back. The people as regards the car, as you see, I'm in the car now, and they told me to bring the car back today, even though they got the windows and the air conditioning going. They told me to still bring the car back today, and they're gonna give me something else to drive. Whatnot, and they're gonna fix all the little things on the car, like they're supposed to do the little engine mount for me and something on the intake. They're gonna do that, and they're gonna give me a loaner. That's good business right there. You know what I'm saying? I respect them people for that right there. It's hard to find somebody to do business with and keep their word up. So we're on the way there right now. The ride's approximately 30-40 minute ride. I'm cruising about 65. You know what I'm saying? And we're on the highway right now. We're on the highway. We're on the highway right now, man. We cruising. You know what I'm saying? And that's how we ride, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the sunroof open. We ride. Yeah, man. So we're gonna tap back in. I'm gonna tap back in when I get down there. I'll y'all in a second. I don't want to bore you all with a long ride. You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys, I told you guys I'd tap back in once I made it to the house or whatever. So I made it to the house and got me a haircut. You can't see it, I got to let it down. Got me a haircut, you know what I'm saying? Got me a haircut and everything. And I made it back to the house, went to the barber, got my haircut, and I made it back to the house. And I'm still waiting to hear something from the people about the car. They said it was going to take about 2 days or so for them to, they needed 2 more days when I had called them or whatever. So I picked up that loaner car, and that's what I was driving back in. And I'm gonna show you all a little picture of what they gave me, little video of what they gave me for the loaner. It's a straight little car, you know what I'm saying? Make me want to trade my car in. Something foreign, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So I'm just waiting to hear something. Maybe I can hit them back Monday. And, you know what I'm saying? I'll go pick the car back up when they get done and stuff. So it's the weekend. All I can do is relax and chill. I'm probably gonna ride my bicycle for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? This is a bike I be riding for exercise and stuff. Old Huffy Beach Cruiser. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm just chilling. You feel me? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna show you all a little picture, and then I'm gonna end the video until I pick the car up, and that's it. I might even make a video on riding around with the loaner car, do a little car review on the loaner car. I don't know. Stay tuned for that. Do a little video riding around in the loaner car, and then I guess by the time I do make that video, the next video probably be where I pick up my car. So stay tuned, and I'm tap right back in. Oh shit.